Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect to your smart LED light using an iPhone. First, make sure you have an iPhone, your to your smart LED light and 2.4G Wi-Fi connection. Also turn on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth on your phone. Now open the Tuya Smart app on your iPhone. If you don't have it yet, download it from App Store and sign in or create an account. Once you are on the home screen, tap the plus sign in the top right corner and tap on Activate. Next, prepare the LED light. Turn the light on and off 3 times until they start flashing. Flashing light means LED is ready to connect. Now go back to your smart app, choose lightning, then select lighting source or LED light depending on what you see. The app will ask you to connect to Wi-Fi. Make sure you select 2.4G Wi-Fi network, not 5G. Enter your Wi-Fi password and tap next. Stay close to LED light while the app is connected. This usually takes about 30 to 60 seconds. Once connected, you can name your light and choose a room like living room or a bedroom. After setup is complete, the light in the app to turn it on or off. You can also change brightness, color, lighting mode depending on type of your LED. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.